Mommy's telling me something!
Mine too, bro!
My digestive fluids also wish to relay the messages.
Shh, quiet. I want to hear what they're saying.
What'd they say, Mama?
They're saying, we're hungry for food.
Then let us put the delicious morsels into our internal food sacks.
Oh, yeah! Who's cooking tonight?
Oh, Titans, come and get it!
Oh, that guy.
Are you guys in for a treat tonight? My specialty, boiled potatoes. I got the mushiness just right. Come on, don't be shy.
So boring!
Why do you make the same boiled mush every time?
It's like I always say, when you know what's going in, you know what's coming out.
Yes, ma'am? We need to investigate the village first. We've held out this long. We can hold on a little...
I think your stomach might have different plans.
Yes, but which one do we listen to?
Search the area for mushrooms or anything that looks edible. And don't eat the food in the village, okay? While you're all doing that, Master and I'll try to figure out what's going on.
Yeah, I hear ya.
What's your favorite color? I like white. Mine's black. That would be the color of your soul. What was that? I guess all this talk about eggs and sausages and stuff got me hungry. We weren't talking about food. I'm really sorry. I don't have anything else for you to eat. I guess half a lunch isn't enough for either one of us.
I always thought my last words would be something more profound than a stomach growl.
It feels like it's been forever since we ate anything.
No, just 2 days, 11 hours, 42 minutes, and 6 seconds, but who's counting?
Something's wrong with my car.
Here, I'll fix your car. I don't want to fix it.
Open the damn door! It's not the car, it's my beautiful Tommy.
Hey, Emeka, what are you doing?
You smell so good, Ray!
Stop it, you idiot!
No!
What are you doing, Emeka?
Because it smells good! I'm sorry, seriously.
And what the hell do you think you're doing?
Well, actually, I'm getting hungry, you know?
Huh?
That's right.
What's wrong?
That's a nice scarf you have there.
Huh? Oh, yeah. My scarf. It sounds like you're hungry. I can make you some instant ramen upstairs.
No, thank you. Good night.
Hinata? Didn't you want to talk to me? Hey, Hinata!